In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Outlook 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional email signature that appears exactly where you want it. First, open Outlook on the web and sign in. Once your inbox loads, look to the upper right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Outlook updates its interface from time to time. You can always use the search box at the top of the settings panel and type signature to jump straight to the right place. From the full settings view, go to the Accounts section in the left sidebar. Here you'll find the Signatures option. Click Signatures to open the Signature Manager. Now select the plus button labeled Add Signature. This creates a new signature profile. Give it a short, recognizable name, something like Standard, Support, or Sales, so you can quickly identify it later if you create more than one. In the editor that appears, type the content of your signature. Keep it concise and useful. A solid baseline includes your full name, job title, company or team name, and one or two preferred contact methods. If you add a website, use a clean URL and avoid pasting sensitive or personal details you wouldn't want widely shared. Keep your line spacing tight but readable, and use consistent capitalization. Use the formatting toolbar to fine-tune the look. You can adjust font size and color, bold your name for emphasis, and insert links so your email, website, or meeting link is clickable. If you add an image, like a logo, make sure it's a small file so it loads quickly, and consider how it will appear in doc mode. Add alt text for accessibility and avoid overly large banners that can trigger spam filters. Below the editor, look for the Select Default Signatures section. Choose when this signature should appear for new messages, for replies and forwards, or both. If you have multiple email accounts connected, select which account this default applies to. This ensures the right signature shows up automatically without extra clicks. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook will confirm your changes. From now on, when you compose a new email or reply based on the defaults you set, your signature will appear in the message body, ready to send. If you ever need a different tone or language, come back to Signatures, create another version, and switch it in the Compose window as needed. That's it. You've created a polished Outlook signature, set smart defaults, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.